Whatever happened to the subject matter fields in the back end of our Amazon listings? And if you can still see them on some listings, can you still index for those keywords?
A few years back, it used to be pretty simple as far as how you optimize the keywords for SEO purposes on Amazon's algorithm. Basically, you make sure you have all your good keywords in your title, and then you go over here to the description tab. You fill in, good keyword rich copy, making sure you're including as many good keywords as possible. So what I'm going to show you right now is a way you can actually still put in keywords to the subject matter. You won't see them. You won't be actually able to do it on Amazon, but using Helium 10's new listing builder tool, which is in beta right now, this function is already working really well. It's been tested many times already.